Hello. There's 2 weeks before school starts, and there are a couple of things I would like you to do before you start human anatomy this fall. I have found a small pre-course. It's about 85 pages long on the basic chemistry, basic biology, everything you need to know to do well in the first few chapters and help you understand the rest of the material better throughout the semester. So to get to this, you will go to your homepage, 24 Human Anatomy, go to Modules. Underneath modules, you'll have your orientation module, which you should do. There's due dates for the things that are needed to be done in each assignment. And then before you start module number 1, which is the nervous system, you click this before you begin. You have this before you begin, and here's your goal. So this is going to prepare yourself for human anatomy. Here's the link. So this link will take you to a website. You can download it as a PDF file, or you can read it online. It's up to you. If you're going to do a lot of reading offline, though, I recommend downloading the PDF to this page. So this is a resource that I found that prepares you for human anatomy and physiology, except we're just doing the human anatomy. So some of the physiology stuff you can just browse over. You'll need to know it next semester for physiology, but you don't need to know it for this class. So here's the online version, and up there was the download for PDF. So if we go through these, see there's pictures of anatomy and physiology, and this does not have quizzes, but there are websites you can click on within this that will take you to practice exercises. So Unit 1 is Introduction to Anatomy and Physiology, which we will be going over in the beginning of this course, so know that. Unit 2, the atoms, chemical bonds, water. You do need to know those, but it's more important for physiology, so just know the basics of those. Antacids and bases. And then the chemistry, the biomolecules, organic compounds. Just recognize names and be able to decipher what's an organic compound, what's inorganic. And just know, hopefully you guys have already taken your first chemistry class, and this will just be review, but if not, you should review these parts for the chemical reactions. And you should know all these routines. You'll see it coincides very well with your book. And then we get to the higher structures. So this is where we're going to be the most important: cell structure and function, organ systems of the human body. So just browse through this, take some notes on it. I promise you, though, it will make the class much easier if you understand this. I'll make an assignment button for this, but it will just ask you if you did it or not. So please try and do this before. You have 2 weeks. It's a very easy read. It's 85 pages, so even if you read like 5 pages a day, you should be well prepared for the beginning of fall. Thank you, and if you have any questions, call me back or email me at asa.gardner@hancockcollege.edu.